Hi Disnerds! This is Drew with the Disney Rabbit Hole. This video is a full POV ride-through of Seven Dwarfs Mine Train in Fantasyland at Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. It also includes footage of the queue experienced by visitors who use Disney World's Lightning Lane feature in Genie Plus. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video for a glimpse of that nasty old wicked queen. And if you're enjoying this video, it would be great if you would strike that like. Thank you so much. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train opened at Magic Kingdom on May 28, 2014 as part of a major park expansion called New Fantasyland. The ride is themed to Walt Disney's 1937 film Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, the first full-length, traditionally animated feature film. Much like Big Thunder Mountain Railroad and Splash Mountain, the ride travels both indoors and outdoors and is designed as a family-friendly coaster with a smooth ride, cartoonish scenes, and just a 38-inch height requirement. The attraction features a new tilting vehicle ride system that simulates the swaying and tipping one would expect of a minecart. The ride features songs from the film, including Hi-Ho, and some of the audio animatronics are recycled from the former Snow White's Scary Adventures attraction, which closed in 2012. However, many of the figures in the cave scene are new designs. In particular, look for the dock animatronic, which features an impressively high range of motion. The ride features 2 on-ride cameras that take videos and pictures that guests can buy through Disney's PhotoPass. Notably, it's only one of 2 Walt Disney World attractions to provide videos for guests, the other being the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. Have you ridden the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train at Magic Kingdom? What's your favorite character or scene? Leave a comment below and tell me about it. Now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy this POV full ride-through of Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
I didn't even feel this wobbling at all. Like this. Yeah, I do too. Like it's like it's like a stick. That was That was a good one. It's just a place that I'm not the one who a neighbor opened. I gotta say, yeah, I definitely. No, I get it.
Same conversation.
But that was like. Well, I love it when